Hi guys, in today's short video I'm going to show you how to get from Nana BTS station to IconSiam Shopping Mall. I'm going to take you first on the BTS. We're going to head to Siam BTS station where we need to change trains. We'll go down a level to the Siam line and you want to take the train that's marked that's going to Bangkok. You can actually take the BTS all the way to IconSiam Mall, but you have to change trains at two different stations, and I just think it's a lot more fun to take the riverboat, the river taxi. So we've arrived at Siam station. What you then need to do is go down one level and you're going to the Siam line and you want to take the train that's marked Bangkok. Once on the train, the station you need to look out for is Saphan Taksin. That's the station that is right next to the river, and once the train reaches this station, I'll show you how to head down to the river. I'll just mention at this point that it's worth purchasing a rabbit card and put some credit on it. You can see mine there. It doesn't save you any money, but what it does do is there are some very busy stations around Bangkok, especially during rush hour, and it just saves you queuing up. You can go straight through with your rabbit card. Now we've arrived at Saphan Taksin, and the great thing about this station, it only has one platform. So all you've got to remember is to come out at exit 3. That'll bring you out onto the street here. You can see the Songtel minibuses lined up there. If you look to your right, that's the main road. You don't want to go that way. You want to turn left when you come out of the station and head down this road until you get right to the very end. Now I'm only going one stop to IconSiam, but there are various boat trips you can take from this pier, or piers I should say, and there's several maps inside, and it's so cheap to do it and it's a lot of fun. You can go on trips that last for half an hour. They have river cruises in the evening with buffets, great food, or you can just go on a river taxi that stops at lots and lots of places like Chinatown. As you can see, the fare to IconSiam is just 8 baht. It's so cheap, it's incredible. As I mentioned earlier, you can actually take the BTS all the way. I just think it's such a nice way to travel on the river. It was a beautiful day, wasn't too hot, and it is very pleasant. It makes for a nice afternoon out. If you haven't been to this mall before, I can highly recommend you spend at least an afternoon here. The food choices are incredible. There are so many stalls, restaurants, you won't get bored. It's different to any other mall in Bangkok. It's very upmarket, and of course next to the river makes for a very pleasant setting. I hope you found this video helpful. It's very easy to navigate here from the Nana area. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll be back real soon. Thanks guys.